Most people hear affiliate marketing and instantly think it's small money. A few dollars here, some commissions there. But here's the truth. There are people earning thousands, even tens of thousands of dollars per month with affiliate marketing. Not because they got lucky, not because they found a secret link, because they understand systems. In this video, you'll learn what affiliate marketing really is, how people actually make serious money with it, where affiliate income truly comes from, and why most people never get past zero. No hype, no shortcuts, just the real structure behind affiliate income. Affiliate marketing is a business model, not a trick. You don't create the product. You don't handle customers. You don't manage refunds or support. Your role is simple. You connect a problem with an existing solution. If someone buys through your recommendation, you earn a commission. That's it. This model exists everywhere. Amazon product reviews, software comparisons, online education recommendations. Affiliate marketing isn't new. What's new is how scalable it has become. The biggest mistake people make is thinking affiliate marketing pays per click. It doesn't. It pays per system. People who earn real money don't chase links. They build content assets. They understand demand. They position offers correctly. On platforms like ClickBank, BuyGoods, and SaaS affiliate networks, there are affiliates earning $5,000 a month, $10,000 a month, and in some cases, much more. Not because the platform is magic, but because the model allows scale. Once a system works, it can generate income again and again. Affiliate marketing comes in different forms, and income potential varies by category. First, physical products. Amazon-style affiliate marketing. Lower commissions, high trust, high volume. Great for beginners, especially review and comparison content. Second, digital products, courses, programs, digital solutions. This is where platforms like ClickBank and BuyGoods operate. Higher commission rates, digital delivery, global reach. That's why many high-earning affiliates start or scale in this category. Third, SaaS and subscription models. AI tools, software platforms, automation services. This is where income becomes predictable, because recurring commissions mean one referral can pay you for months or even years. And fourth, services, hosting, VPNs, financial tools, high-intent traffic, strong SEO potential, but also more competition. Affiliate marketing is not about one platform. It's about distribution. People use YouTube, blogs, email lists, search engines, social media, and affiliate marketplaces to access offers. In the next videos, we'll break down platforms one by one. ClickBank, BuyGoods, Amazon, and SaaS partner networks. But remember this, the marketplace is just the supply. The system creates income. Most people fail because they focus on the wrong things. They ask, which product pays the most? Which link converts best? Instead of asking, what problem am I solving? What system am I building? Affiliate marketing doesn't reward shortcuts. It rewards structure. Affiliate marketing works best for people who can explain ideas clearly, think in systems, and are patient enough to build assets. You don't need fame. You don't need a big budget. You don't need paid ads to start. You need understanding, positioning, consistency. Affiliate marketing isn't dead. It's evolving. And the people earning serious income are the ones who treat it like a system, not a shortcut. In the next videos, we'll break down affiliate platforms and show how these systems are actually built. Welcome to Vault Lab.